Elon Musk just broke 2 world records. If breaking 1 world record is difficult, how difficult do you think it would be to break 2? What if certain people were born with a desire to smash as many world records as possible? Elon Musk continues to wow the world with his ability to reach new heights and break new limits year after year. It's no secret that Elon Musk is a billionaire. Tesla has set a new global record, placing electric vehicles far ahead of combustion engines. Not only is the billionaire's firm leading the way, but the billionaire himself has set a new world record as well. Keep an eye out to see what global record Tesla has broken and what new world record the billionaire has created. 2 Model S's were tested in a video provided by Drag Times. According to reports, it's 300 pounds lighter than the fully equipped version since it's missing a few crucial extras, such as a sunroof. Tesla's Model S is a battery-powered liftback automobile that serves as the company's flagship model. Although early versions of the Model S had a rear motor and rear-wheel drive arrangement, the Model S now has a dual-motor, all-wheel drive layout. The Model S was developed under the codename White Star not long ago. Soon later, the Model S was formally announced, with a prototype car revealed. The 60D, a reworked twin-motor all-wheel drive version of the Model S, was introduced as an option within the range. The 60D was followed by the 70D, which introduced 2 motors and all-wheel drive, then the 85D, P85D, and P90D. The Tesla Model S was modified shortly after to add a new engine. The P100D was the first electric car with an EPA estimated range of more than 300 miles. Tesla unveiled a new Model S design nicknamed the Palladium not long ago, plaid for the performance model. As a part of the makeover, the interior, engine, and suspension are all changed. The Model S was the first electric vehicle to lead any country's monthly new car sales rankings, doing so twice in Norway, where sales exceeded 250,000 units. For a long time, the Model S was the best-selling plug-in electric car in the world, but it was eventually eclipsed by the Model 3. Drag Times pitted the Model S against the Camaro ZL1 and a BMW 550i in both races. Tesla's electric sedan set a new speed record for 4-door production vehicles. The larger model ran a quarter mile in 10.875 seconds, while the lighter model took 10.723 seconds. That record-breaking accomplishment, however, didn't last long. In a second test conducted the same day in Oregon, a Tesla Model S P100D clocked in at 10.638 seconds, smashing the previous mark. The car was tested with its original upholstery, wheels, and tires, which is worth highlighting. The Hyperloop has reached new heights thanks to Elon Musk. A video of the pod produced in collaboration with Tesla and SpaceX going on the 0.8-mile test track at the company's Hawthorne headquarters was recently published by the tech magnet. As of the time of our video, the pod had reached a speed of 220 miles per hour, which was the highest speed publicly achieved by a Hyperloop pod. They took the SpaceX and Tesla Hyperloop pusher pod on a test run on its own to see what it could do when it wasn't dragging student capsules. Some need a push to get going, like passive maglev, Musk said on Instagram. Before the issue started, I reached up to 355 kilometers an hour, or 220 miles an hour. It's similar to tugboat racing. I should be able to push above 500 kilometers an hour, or about half the speed of sound, with a few tweaks or small parts. When Musk initially proposed the vacuum-sealed transportation system some time ago, he estimated that pods could travel at a top speed of 700 miles per hour via the tubes. That implies the current quickest pods are traveling at around a third of their maximum speed. If Musk achieves 310 miles per hour next month, he will come close to breaking the world speed record. SpaceX ran a competition just some time ago to determine who could create the quickest Hyperloop pod. Swissloop from Switzerland, War Hyperloop from Germany, and Paradigm from the United States and Canada were the contending teams. War Hyperloop, the victors, achieved a new world record of 201 miles per hour. Hyperloop is accelerating at breakneck speed. SpaceX hosted its inaugural competition on the test track in January. War competed against the Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands and MIT Hyperloop in the United States. Unlike the previous competition, competitors were evaluated on a variety of factors. Overall, Delft came out on top, while War claimed the fastest pod speed. War's initial entry, which was just some months ago, now appears ridiculously slow, 56 miles per hour. Since then, the rate of improvement has been remarkable. SpaceX isn't the only company striving to make the Hyperloop a reality. One of the most well-known Hyperloop companies, Hyperloop One, has completed a test track south of Las Vegas. The business recently achieved a speed of 192 miles per hour, but CEO Rob Lloyd claims the technology can go far faster. The reason for this, according to Lloyd, is that the test track is just 1,640 feet long, and the crew ran out of space to go faster. According to the business, the existing technology is scalable to achieve maximum speed. If a company can attain peak speed, it has the potential to transform travel. A half-hour drive from San Francisco to Los Angeles is possible. Hyperloop One has suggested 9 European routes, 11 American routes, and 5 Indian routes. It's an amazing idea for future travel, but everything hinges on how far we get from here. Musk hopes to utilize Hyperloop technology in the subterranean tunnels his Boring company is creating in the future. They just gained authority to expand their test tunnel in Hawthorne, California by 2.5 kilometers or 1.6 miles, and Musk claims that a 29-minute Hyperloop between New York and Washington, D.C. is in the works. Underground Hyperloop routes might be expanded across the country and eventually the world if Musk gets his way. And to think it all started with a traffic-related tweet. The Hyperloop concept is perhaps most interesting since it is an open-source project, which means that members of the public are invited to take Musk's sketch and expand on it. So get in contact if you're feeling motivated. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, lost $50 billion in total as the stock fell for 48 hours in a row, but don't worry, he's still the world's richest man. Through Twitter, Musk has proved his near-totalitarian control over the stock market. The electric vehicle and SpaceX entrepreneur polled his 63.1 million Twitter followers on whether he should sell his 10% investment in Tesla, and then word surfaced that his brother Kimball had sold his shares immediately before the vote. Elon Musk, later on, set a new record by earning $25 billion in a single day. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Tesla Inc.'s 20% gain on Tuesday, its greatest in more than a year, increased the billionaire founder's worth to $174 billion, narrowing the gap with Jeff Bezos. NASDAQ rose 3.7% overnight, boosted by increases in big tech giants including Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. Bezos' net worth increased to $180 billion thanks to a $6 billion rise in Amazon.com Inc. shares. Elon Musk dethroned Jeff Bezos as the world's richest person in January. According to the index, which ranks the world's 500 wealthiest individuals, Musk's fortune peaked at $210 billion later that month. Tesla stock has risen due to consistent quarterly earnings as President Joe Biden's backing of renewable technology and enthusiasm from ordinary investors. Tesla Inc. stock soared over 20% on Tuesday, rebounding from a sharp sell-off with its biggest daily gain not too long after data indicated an uptick in China sales and an analyst upgraded the company's rating. Tesla was upgraded to a buy from a hold by New Street research analyst Pierre Ferraju, who said the business has 2 years of earnings growth ahead of it and that demand is bigger than supply could be. Ferraju upgraded Tesla from neutral to buy and lifted his target price to $900 from $578. Tesla shares finished the day at $673.58, its highest daily gain since its all-time high. The stock's still down more than 20% from its all-time high not so long ago. According to the Chinese car industry group CPCA, Tesla sold 18,318 China-made automobiles a while ago, which skyrocketed shortly afterward. Since the Tesla creator took over the month, his fortune reached $210 billion, and Musk and Bezos have been vying for the top place on the Bloomberg Wealth Index. Elon Musk's record-breaking streak does not appear to be slowing down anytime soon. In fact, some speculate that he's ready to set a new record for the tallest rocket. In the comments area below, let us know whether you believe this is possible. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible videos.